Zinemen, wa bonemen. No let trene de sepi. Nentwa wodi kids or dambia na de gwe fit to afeshe. It is so sad and pathetic. Now video now. I say drop here video na yanshebi.
I want problem with him. I want to throw him out.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
Yeah, for one frame, you may yembra. Wa from Ododo Chiame Parko Rich. A person for DJ no soro na mo oye Ghana crew mu amina bruchu. Mini gwai mo wan kran he ara. Na video bi etwem wo internet do a asam na ya asafim ya bofan oye jaw the benin a wodi no ketechi wodi so no do oba dinemen wa abonemen no le twene de sepi nentwa wodi kids or dambia na de gwe fit to afeshe. It is so sad and pathetic. Now video now. I say drop here video na yanshebi.
I want problem with him. I want to throw him out. Right?
Yes.
Take his out.
Yeah.
He said still no. And I'm telling you, mother.
Yeah.
Do you believe your mama is crazy or this man is crazy? Who is crazy?
Opa.
Opa is crazy, right?
Yes.
And I'm telling you that this man is calling me outside. I know he did.
Yes.
And I will ask you in front of him.
Yeah.
So he will say, I'm sorry. Yes, I was the one, because if not today, I'll beat him.
Don't bite him.
Why is this man still lying? I don't know when. What is that? Madam, what's okay? Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Madam.
Ebusiafo. Obi ka na sambi de se ode besia bokwa abrochi ne den ko boto bodom no ode na akwa abrochi.
Ode ne bodom.
Ode ne bodom. Another crime ode ne bokwa abrochi. And you see, answer no be back at ma asem na hu de eja pain bi wona heart him. For oba to treat Benina and Kawabodina was oketechi was a kahundam. Ne bono ye any den. Waba for Ghana. Na wamo baby man say. Obi bakade dano basem no see basem na benyene ye. Under no circumstances should a woman have the balls as sebi onyi bi na onye benyin at jenjana dam. Na se benyin na okoto nansa nka mansenyi nara waso abeti bige bia hu video yi
me hu video no pa na
and then what's your
video le mama we pa yes nka on kran krum ha anka o Africa Ghana ha pa anka na so be she papa because South Sudan na o danedi e wo ho no enye suban pa because how say ukuno o de wa ba abrochire wo be yiri ni se eden ya na waye eden na why I obey didn't say utie beginning of the video now or say or person ne papa no problem no to me my papa no problem because onim say Europe no say papa ne is ne sakana just say ebe ko amano because e ho no ye mfa ye san kan ba nti no say advantage na man no gu Europe no na san kwase asem we sebe o mudi no mo nya mmema no mudi o mo de omanim ye fom ne ade no also muja because dakro na uba Africa ha uba krum ha unim se wontumi mbenye saade ne wa ha nti yare na ye beba be fa wako na be ma ode wo koya wa ma bebi a ode utito wa ode na wo na wo ye ni se na wo twa video e de na wo pese wo kire ba na one na wo no chale e simple because we sama me we say oh ha Africa no ye saade o ha ka onim se wontumi nya because ha aka we di sutro ba kokura dada we dibi o ma bo ya bomu ama na ama on she we mu say na omo nhia emema ni bi na omo bo ma no we mu bi na we say yedi omo ma sa mema no on si na sumu yie no say no chale Jimmy ni ya roso
oya na asem ne bi o ha na kana akoye de kaka na akoye de erososo de dem benyinfo one more treating besiafo but you see the mass America don't see wagana ebisi Oshankofo wo tem but akoye there benyin nsu wo bagom nti when women suppress and they intimidate men like that they have to
just keep quiet about it because of out of respect for women or because maybe those men are the type of men who from good home yes those men are also there and much respect to all of those men because those men have a big heart. Those type of men, Charlie, because oba we pa Charlie.
Nei damasemi damadze rabeli ye. Na se sebe match abara scatter. We hu dem video ya. Mo de tam bani yem papa.
Abascatter nzere.
At ginger na mami bi was short pon. Na wafren araba scatter na pa de besia nyo mebeye ne brother da ma djencha no de beye
Charlie,
you understand, and we do all these things and at the end of the day ubi baba bakede na Father's Day mpo afrabore ya da na ore za chana papa o china papa no hu do afra no hu do fi papa ni mu mo kwa
ubi ntase
and a papa ni irresponsible onye besia wo na wadna wo eja no da musubani watsena ho se bisawo do ye wonu benyi na anada wo papa
ko wo be fufuro
nka wanyu abeje da wonye wonu azgenja no dam ase yasra wana dam besiafo na wogu abrochin na nanu ma wo krom ha se yema wanso waso ante da dam kwase aze na wayen one kind with that ko baba krom ha na sawaba when you won bedi aba one ya ne there na one ben de iso benye na men etwen na with all these things you already nyina oria obe play victim
yes
don't know you're respectful no bad no nsidam na benye no onye benye no so bahwe na benye no fa na sanka
victimization and women, they are twins.
On general from doing too much that. Mananya mudazami ye manya ni ye nimpun. Oh, when no from don't know on Sunday. Oh, zemi ye manya ni ye one fan cham. The ye bob brana in siu ye ya. The kasha wufie beifo. When yim as a oya har. When yim as a oya har. Oya monye. At papa na wombo wanizen na mumma mbenyimfo dze wan kwa abrochi a wonu won ho
too much
Chade, when you tell an African woman there enye no bokwa abrochi a papa she will be that respectful to you for the rest of your life na nyem na do batra koto ka international airport nobody Heathrow another JF Kennedy one obetro piga so me catch you
kroma de yenye saa kroma de
eti we yere bokwa abrochi no kwama nkesim gom fa koto kako na kotwitwa wo America na ton mfa so baba ho amu chide hu de besia no sabe nyansa wani tim anada watete no wo fie sabi onya dam kwasi edi se benyini bufu mpo na onya damazi awo ba you do this I put all
sure
apa yanka pe baby ntina
happen like this want to go train for the
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.